Hey y'all, this is the knowing. I am in a Dollar General, and these are some finds here. It is some nice stuff. Again, here's our tabletop lanterns. They are $5. Yeah, I love this. It's like a glass store, just beautiful. $8. There's some fabric deers. Just showing you also. This is like a little cups. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's really cute stuff. Y'all know I love anything with the truck. Y'all look. These are just some great finds, y'all. I wasn't gonna come out live. I mean, do a video. I was like, let me do a video. Let them look at the little canisters. How much are they? $6, y'all. Well, it's actually a container, but you can use them for whatever you like, canisters or whatever. There's some candles here, $3. Duck or two. Oh, y'all, these are cute. Y'all look. These are $5. Small reach. You can always glue, get a hot glue and add more stuff to it. You see that? Yeah, I got this stuff just strolled everywhere. And I do not have the energy to straighten it out. Sorry, y'all. That's cute, though. $4. Some of this stuff is good. And some of it is just tabletops that I not want to spend the money for. If anybody needs another bucket, I don't need one. Please, I don't need anything. If we being honest and telling the truth. Now look at those. Kneeling pad. I guess they're gonna, I guess that's on clearance. I don't know. But it just got in the way of me, you know, wrapping paper, y'all. Y'all love those cinnamon brooms. This is cute. Look at this. They're $1. Hang them on your fireplace. You don't see this? Oh, y'all, look at that. That's only $6. Some little ornaments. So y'all come on down to your local family Dollar General and buy you some stuff. Y'all know I get this straight. Oh, look at the ribbons. They're beautiful. Look at that. And those are 2 lighted boxes at the bottom. So it's some nice stuff in here. Of course, I'm working the phone, so you all probably see things that I don't, which is fine. Which is quite fun. I just wanted to tell you about some stuff, and this stuff may be discounted. I'm just not sure. So, oh, y'all look, that's cute. Yes, that's a donut maker, they say. I don't know, y'all. This is really good to relax. It's a tabletop fountain, and to just hear the water, like on the fountain in your office or something. So, yeah, this is great. I'm trying to turn my button. Oh, this is like all, you know, if you need any of these, they have it. Like the plates and stuff. Money holders, only $1. Gift wrapping paper. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing good.
Getting those chips?
Yes. Did you get any?
Oh yeah, I got a bunch of them.
Oh, okay.
I got November, December birthdays.
Oh, okay, so yeah.
I went like, I think I got like